USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers that I profile from right here. So go and sign up with these brokers because I want you to trade with my signals in a separate account. And open the accounts, trade with my signals in that account only. So do all of that, subscribe, like Telegram, and do all of that. Okay, so coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have a doji, so we are going up. I think so because in a weekly we have a clear kind of signal. You can say more buyers or more buy trades last week than the sell trades. So we have some kind of candle. I don't know the name of this candle, but it's not doji because clearly we have more buyers than and less sellers. Okay, so we are expecting USDJPY to go up this week. Time will tell. So we have rejection from the EMA as well on Friday. This is the daily chart. So what about this? Let me use my line. So low is broken. We are going down. Okay, guys, we're going down because this previous low was broken by this red candle. So this is merely a pullback and we should go down again. Okay, so let's see. So as you can see here, this blue candle touched the EMA and then the candle of Friday has closed well below the EMA and this low is already broken. So this is the new this was the new downtrend in daily chart, then pullback, and now this pullback is tricky. Okay, this pullback can go further up and then come down, or this might just come down right away. So in daily, we might still have some blue candle until maybe 68%, and then we start coming down, or we just start, or we might start the downtrend already here. Okay, so let's look for our entry in 4 hour. In 4 hour, we are already above the EMA. Okay, that's the problem. Look for longs here. Okay, all these previous highs are broken, so we are looking for longs only. There you go. This high, this high, this high, this high, all these recent previous highs are broken by this long candle, and then we have a rejection from the EMA and the candles. 1, 2, 3 candles have closed above the EMA. In 4 hour we are going up. No, I don't think we have any doubts here. Okay, if I would be you, I will enter long when the market opens. I'll take my profit somewhere here. So 50 pips easy profit when the market opens on this Monday. Wait for 1 hour. As soon the market opens, wait for 1 hour. After that, enter long in USDJPY and take profit 50 pips from the entry. Free trade, free money on the table. Thank me later. Okay, close your eyes and enter long because all these previous highs are broken by this long candle and the price is still above the 4 hour. So no rocket science. And also with confirmations from the weekly we have more buyers than less sellers. And as I said that in daily, we might still go up because the pullback might be 68%. Okay, so we might still have a blue candle in daily and then we might go down after 2 days. Who knows? But as per 4 hour current setup, it's a free money on the table. Enter long, take your profit at 50 pips, and just after that we'll see what happens. So long 50 pips, that's your trade as soon the market opens after 1 hour Monday. That's it. Thank me later. Subscribe, like, blah blah blah. Join Telegram, share the video. Not everybody is doing this for free. Okay, so this is the content worth for thousands of dollars. Appreciate what I'm doing for you for free. Okay, so subscribe, like, and join Telegram and brokers and everything. Share the video as well, and I'll see you maybe, I don't know when. So I'm tired now. Bye bye.